Hello. This reading is for Gemini. Gemini, let's do a temperature check, an energy check of what is in your energy for the upcoming week. Let's take a look at the trends. So it could be things that are coming up on the short term, but it could also be things that are on the long term. Let's see what's in your energy. I'm going to go and do a column for your own individual energy within the zodiac collective, and I'm going to do another column on your environment. And then pull an additional energy. I think I may have to get them out. Yes, I do. And then I'll pull an additional energy to clarify. Let's start with you. Gemini. Oops. 4 of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles. 6 of Cups. 3 of Swords. 5 of Cups. 4 of Cups. Well, all of these cards here speak to social interaction. It speaks to maintaining your stance. Here's your environment. Hierophant. Queen of Cups. The Lovers. 7 of Pentacles. Prince of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Alright, Gemini, I'm going to pull out a card for your environment. Let's start with the Hierophant. Nine of Swords. I'm going to add an additional energy. 5 of Coin. Gemini, what is it? Are these intense cards that I'm picking up? I'm going to add one more to the Hierophant. Crown of Vessels. That's a King of Cups energy. Let's see how that he is aspected by another king. I'm going to see how that... Let's put one more clarification on that. The Tower. Oh, there's a breakdown. I am actually going to put one more card on the Nine of Swords. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords there. 9 of Vessels. It's an issue of generosity. Someone is giving more than the other. Strong male energy in that one. I wonder if it's an issue between 2 men. Anyway, let me go on to the other ones. Queen of Cups gets 9 of Cups. 9 of Coin, rather. The 2 of Cups gets a timing card. Let's add one more energy. 8 of coin. I'm actually going to clarify that 8 of coin. 2 of coin, partnership. There's a very transactional energy here, Gemini, with the relationships I see. We already have that theme now building up. We have it building up with the Hierophant. We have it with the Queen of Cups. We have it with our 2 of Cups. Someone, there's an issue of giving. I'm actually going to clarify that 9 of coin before I move on. 9 of coin gets 3 of swords. Someone's giving more than the other, and I bet you are the one giving more than the other, since this is your reading. And you're being crushed twice by the same cards. 7 of Pentacles is 7 of coin. That's this double energy in there. I'm going to clarify the 7 of coin. It's a Page of Wands. Prince of Cups gets the Sun. Ace of Pentacles, 5 of Swords. 8 of Vessels to our 4 of Pentacles. A Queen of Swords to our 3 of Pentacles. Ace of Swords, excuse me. Ace of Swords to our 6 of Cups. Strength to our 3 of Swords. 6 of Cups, our second 6 of Cups in your energy, to a 5 of coin. The Star. To our 4 of Cups. Gemini, the energy that I'm picking up here, it's a little sad. I do see opportunities here, of course I do. But I'm presented more with, I don't think I need to go any further into it. If I need to, excuse me, if I need to draw an additional card to clarify, I will, but the theme that I'm seeing here overall, the main energy I'm picking up, the main trend is Gemini. You're not getting what you deserve. And the energy that I'm seeing here disturbs me because of that. There's a theme that it feels like you are actively putting out more than someone else. It's like you're doing it because there's great affection for the people. I don't know, too, if you're putting out, if this is actually monetary gain, or it could just be to support. Like maybe someone comes to you and they unload all of their issues to you, and you accept it and internalize it, but maybe you're not likewise sharing any of your issues. And maybe when people are talking to you, you're actually giving them heartfelt advice, and then if you talk to them, they're saying, oh, well, you should go and talk to this professional or that professional, or, you know, they dismiss you in some way rather than actually listening and considering their issues the way you consider theirs. I don't know. It could be an emotional support. It could actually be monetary support. Could be helping. You know, maybe you're actually helping someone, I don't know, move their apartment, and then they can't help you, I don't know, watch your cat for the weekend. I don't know what it is, right? But there's some sort of interchange with the people you have around you. And I don't know if it's as simple as exchanging or freely being able to talk about what bothers you, or if it's actual physical help or actual monetary gain. But Gemini, that there's a trend that I'm seeing here that either way, You're over giving, and the other party is just taking, and this is not supporting you at all. You know, the trend of being supported, not being supported in your environment, that continues here in these cards. The Hierophant together with Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords clarified by Nine of Cups. Someone is not giving to the extent that you are. With this card here, this definitely does suggest a relationship. I don't know whether this is a relationship, a family, or could be close friends. Could it be work? It could speak to work. It could, but are you close colleagues? It's someone who you definitely are giving more than the other. This trend is all over here on this spread. That's the main trend. You're giving more than the other. With the Hierophant here together with these two kings, I don't know if this is you dealing with a romantic partner, if this is you dealing with a friend, if this is you dealing with a colleague. All those are possible. What I do know is that with this specific pull that I have in my hands, there is an issue with two men, two male energies, two people coming up as a masculine. And it's funny, we have emotion and we have material gain, material concerns, materialistic concerns. You know, it's the same theme that, as I said, I have that theme throughout. Queen of Pentacle, a pentacle to a cup. This is a pentacle to a cup. In the realm of giving and receiving, someone is not reciprocating here. They're not being fair. They are causing you distress. I have the Five of Coin here. I have the Five of Coin twice. I have the Five of Coin here too in your personal energy. But in this pull, this speaks of two male energies, and you are being shortchanged horribly. And it's like, too, you're not even being shortchanged on the materialistic realm, Gemini, in these energies. You're even blocked from speaking about it. That's why I said I don't know if it's just as simple as maybe you're giving out money, or if it's as simple as someone's not even listening to you. I feel it's all those things. As it breaks down across the collective, it's all those things. Somebody is not supporting you like they should. In this specific pull, it's somebody that's very close to you. As I said, it could be a work colleague. It also could literally be someone who you see as your person. Both of you are coming up as male energies, but someone is not giving it all to the extent of the other. Someone is misering. There's such a word. Someone is being a miser towards the other, and they're not even allowing you to speak. It's very sad energy here. It's disturbing that someone would be so tight to another. That's the energy that I see there. On that issue, well, let's go to our next Five of Coin. They said I also see Five of Coin here in your personal energy. You know, who do you have around you that falls into that behavior? To those of you who I'm talking to, that these two energies apply to. Obviously, they're taking advantage of some sort of bond, the relationship that you have, to make you feel like, because there's that connection, even though you're not being supported as you should, that you are putting up with it. I mean, this implies history, but it's a distressing connection. Here's our second Six of Cups energy. In your personal energy, slightly different meaning here. Overgiving. Now, in this context, you can overgive because you have the capacity to do so. You have the capability to do so. But, you know, the energy here asks you to be prudent with it. Especially if, again, you're dealing with people who don't support you. You know, as I said, a little disturbing trend here. Just because you have the strength to overlook disappointment, Gemini, doesn't mean you should. You can apply that, the internal soothing resolve you have, to more positive things than mitigating low vibration and heartache, right? Just because you can prop yourself up amid disappointment doesn't mean you should. I feel as well the first stages of vetting the people who are not supporting you as they should, to talk about it. See who is receptive to what you are saying, how you are feeling. That's the first stage, Gemini. Start talking about it with the people around you who you support. Talk about how you feel and see how they react to it. See how they support you in turn. You have so much to give. And there are people out there who will give in equal measure, if not more. There are people out there that you can build with. But you definitely need to go and, I think, speak up more. Funny that I'm telling Air Sign Collective of Gemini to speak up more, but I think that is the message here. You know, there's something with your partnerships. As I said, the people you have around you in general, you need to make sure they support you. You need to work towards that active interchange. I think too, although it's a bit calculating, I think I'm feeling the message here from the cards is again to examine too the percentage of who's giving what and how much and of what. Because you are overgiving. The other person, the other people around your energy, they're not giving to the extent you are. Finally, Gemini, my other message is the Seven of Pentacles. I have Seven of Pentacles twice here. One Seven of Pentacles here is very interesting. It's almost as interesting as the dichotomy between this Six of Cups and the Six of Cups of disappointment that I have here. As the Six of Cups. You know, one speaks of the shared memories. This is definitely a combination of play, but more so over playful times, playful memories, past people, the value of past experiences, past people, the value we place on history, personal history, and so forth. Well, this one is literally giving, volunteering, providing to the community. Very different actions and energies here. And in that vein, people management, Gemini, is management, accumulation, growth, success. This is like collecting, right? Collecting and growing. If you bake muffins and afterwards you count how many muffins you have. This is that sort of energy. Or you are gardening and you pick tomatoes off the branch or whatever those tomatoes grow on, vines, and you have them in a bowl afterwards and you can collect them. This is that kind of measurable energy. But here it's a bit different. It's people management. Together, management of time and resources. This is asking you to evaluate literally the people you have around you. Those aren't just pentacles there, Gemini. Those are people. Those are heads. Who do you have around you, Gemini? How sincere are they? Definitely speak to them and see how they react to what you're doing. Are they honestly supporting you, listening to you, considering you, working with you, or do they shut you off? They could shut you off as, oh, I can't do that. I don't know anything about that. You should speak to this, or you should go there. Do they support you? Those are the messages I have for you, Gemini. Let me know if they resonate. If they do, like or leave a comment. If you would like to see more content from me, subscribe. To those of you who have already subscribed, thank you very much for the support of our channel. Geminis, if you'd like to treat me, you can buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description box. And Geminis, I will be back with another video. Until then, I'm wishing everybody a beautiful day. Bye-bye.